Hello student, today I would teach you the things. Okay, with that you will get good bands in task 1. So in task 1, as we know, that is the most easiest and the complicated part for students, for academic students. In task 1, we have to focus on our introduction first. So in introduction, you have to paraphrase the questions, okay? That means you have to replace and paraphrase the each and every word that you can see in the question. Secondly, in overall, we have to write the relevant points of the chart. Relevant point means the main feature you have to write in overall. For instance, if you get a bar graph or pie chart, so we have to write the trends, okay? The trends of, for example, 7 countries, 8 countries, or any of object. If you will get the line graph or the table. So in that case, we have to write the highest and the lowest percentile of that chart in overall. So in body para 1, we have to write the highest percentile of that chart and the lowest percentile of that chart and the similar percentile of that chart. And in B2, you can write the rest one. But the salient thing and imperative thing is that while you writing or while you adding the percentile or the numericals in the body para 1 and body para 2, so we need to focus on some basic lines which you have to use as formal manner, not informal manner. For example, apart from using the direct language, this country has this percentage, you can write and you can use the formal words. For example, the recorded data for this country, the accounted percentile for that country. So you can use a synonyms of percentage, okay? So you can use percentile, you can use multitude, you can use ratio, data, proportions. So that word you can use and which gives you a good band. Thank you.